So you could get up to, what is that, 16,800 watt hours of lithium battery.
Instead of just the Ford chassis with their Ekko, they've added the Sprinter chassis.
Well, I'm amazed what you've done with 19 feet to work with.
Yeah.
But look at the windows. So you can picture at a nice campsite how nice this is.
This is the Winnebago Ekko, and what makes it extra special this year, they've always been on the Ford chassis. This year, they're on the Sprinter chassis, so I know you're going to want to see this.
The Ekko is a Class C. This is 24.5 feet on that Sprinter chassis. Really nice interior. Let's go see what Jennifer thinks of it.
Wow, this certainly catches your eye. I like the colors that they use. Very attractive.
Okay, so I'm back in the bedroom area, and this is set up here as 2 twin beds. You can see it's really very nice. You can put these together, these cushions will come and you could have a king, but most people end up using it this way because then it's a simple matter of stepping out of bed if you have to get up in the middle of the night. Very nice decor. These are really soft mattresses. I think you'll be very comfortable. But look at the windows. So you can picture at a nice campsite how nice this is. Fabulous. And you can see all these people waiting to come in.
Okay, so
3 little steps to go up.
3 steps to go up. And what's interesting also, Mike, with the sleep area, there's a curtain that you can pull across to make it more private for if somebody wants to sleep in. And I think what comes to mind is, yeah, the lovely sink, lovely countertop. You say, where is the cooktop? Propane burners, or how do you cook in this? And voila, right here.
Yep, induction, and keeps it out of the way.
Out of the way.
Yeah. There is a little nook here that you can sit and eat.
As a desk?
I don't know if that extends so that you could eat on the opposing seat.
Well,
One thing I don't like about this,
here.
one thing I don't like is the cab, but you notice there's a step to get into the RV park. We've seen other vans where they have made it all flat so you don't have to kind of look up and you're not gonna
Trip a couple times and then you figure out it's there.
Yeah.
It looks like this folds down, but this is a good desk. One person can sit here comfortably and eat. The other person's over here and they're going to have to just reach a little bit, but they can do it.
This is the cab, and of course there's that Mercedes dashboard. TV mounted right above the cab. I guess you could have one person sit here.
Definitely.
Yeah, one would sit here. And you would look, you'd look to look up to see it, and the other person would sit opposite there, but you're kind of on an angle for that TV.
Yeah.
That's not very comfortable, is it? I guess 2 people. No, I don't think 2
I don't think 2 people can sit there. I'm not seeing seat belts. I don't know if there are. There might be seat belts, but I'm not seeing them. Let's look at the bathroom and take a quick peek at that. Whoa, this is certainly different.
Well, let's see. Oh, I've seen this before. This is the shower, right? This is very nice little shower. But see this wall will actually turn back. And now it is a vanity. Hello there. It looks like a Thetford compost. No, I think that's a cassette toilet. But really neat way of saving space, right? So you want to shower in the morning, you just close that off like so, and you've got all that room for the shower. Very cool. Nice little touches like these hooks on the wall. And then you can actually hang something on the cool little W there.
Winnebago has, instead of just the Ford chassis with their Ekko, they've added the Sprinter chassis. So they will continue with the Ford chassis, and they are adding the Sprinter chassis.
Stay wild. That is the slogan for particularly this, the Revel from Winnebago. Now, it's been out a couple of years, but they're always refining it as the interest in overlanding and boondocking and kind of off-road RVing continues to grow in popularity. We're seeing a lot of people on this Sprinter short chassis, this 19-foot chassis, and the Revel has really done some upgrades that are really worth us taking a look at, and it has to do with increased lithium batteries, They've done some really nice modifications on the inside, particularly with this rear storage area, garage, bedroom. We're going to go inside and take a look at it, but this is making a lot of waves at the show, and let's go take a look and see if we can stay wild. Dwayne, tell me about this inside here in this cargo area.
Yeah, so this has been redesigned back here. We've put our freshwater tank up here. 35-gallon freshwater tank is behind here on this side. And on this side, we have our lithionics battery system. It's an 8,400 watt-hour lithium battery with the option for a second one that would go in this storage compartment here. So you could get up to, 16,800 watt-hours of lithium battery in here.
So you're off the grid a long time.
Yeah, you have the potential to be off for a really long time.
And of course, we got to show everybody this. This is pretty cool.
The bed is electric. Switch up here.
Really? No.
So that is so cool. So
If one goes down, you got.
one of the things that has really impressed us is this mattress, how soft this thing is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we actually make this ourselves, and so we control the quality of it. I don't know if I can find the zip part on it where you can actually see inside of it. Let's see.
It is very nice.
Peel it back and you can see the two different layers that are in there.
But
So it's kind of like a memory foam topper.
What is amazing to me on this is the way you have been able to use this 19 feet. If, you know, with this bed, you just push this up.
Yeah. And back here, a lot of people don't realize it, but it is, I think, 6'7" can sleep in.
Let's just
Wow.
do it.
This is our new Overlander interior, and we've revised the floor plan for this new Revel as well. We've got forward-facing seats here that are adjustable. You can actually slide them sideways to give yourself more space.
It's very nice.
Suitable for car seats because they have the locking clips down
And
there.
you have seat belts.
And you have the 3-point shoulder seat belts as well, and this one reclines as well if you want to. Some of the other changes we made this year is the countertop here is longer now. Sink is there, and if you back your camera up just a little bit, inside of here is our induction cooktop and a additional counter space.
Very nice.
And I just don't want to hit your hand there, but you can see the cooktop
Mm-hmm.
down in there. So when you look at all this, it's almost 6 feet of counter space here inside a Class B motorhome.
It's amazing.
We've changed all of our locking mechanisms here. So this is open and you pull out. They're very user-friendly. Close and they're securely locked, but it makes it easier to pull. Last year we had the push buttons and then you pull out on those. Refrigerator's in the same location. We modified the shower door. We have a locking clip up here as well. And now it's a bifold door that you open this way. You can use this for gear storage or a wet bath. There's a shower curtain that goes there, and you have your cassette toilet there as well. If you're going to use it for gear, there's a clothing bar there.
Now, I see that you're also talking about longer use in colder climates.
Yeah, everything is up above the floor. So all your cassette toilet's above, the freshwater tank is above. The only thing that's exposed is your gray water tank drain on the outside. So
This whole off-grid movement has really taken off, hasn't it?
it's very popular and has taken off. Yes.
Well, I'm amazed what you've done with 19 feet to work with. How useful is it?
The other thing that we've done, if you look up here, is we have a new control panel for both our battery system and for the heat and hot water, the Timberline heat system that we use, which runs off of diesel or electric depending on your needs. So if you're off grid and you want to run it on diesel, it works great. It runs your hot water and your furnace, and you can go literally forever on it. If you camp with a full tank of diesel, this thing sips diesel fuel. So.
And I think we want to repeat how big that freshwater tank is.
It's 35-gallon freshwater tank.
Which is
pretty impressive. Yeah.